Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to enable floating keyboard function in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. Where to look for our keyboard options. So first we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for general management options menu. Next we need to tap Samsung keyboard settings and then we need to scroll down to the mode menu. And here we can see three modes for every view. So portrait view, we have standard, one-handed and floating, and we have the same functions for the landscape view. We are interested in the floating keyboard. We can turn floating keyboard in the portrait view only, or if you want, we can enable both. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.